Hi there, my name is John and welcome to Taskworld. We help companies like yours improve collaboration internally and externally to work and scale your organization easily. In this video, you'll get a clear overview of how your workspace, projects, and tasks look like. You will discover the main features of Taskworld and how you can easily collaborate with your team. Let's get started by defining what a workspace is. Think about your organization's virtualization, a digital place where you can follow and track your projects and tasks, get an overview of your activities, and communicate with your teammates. Thanks to this structure, you'll be able to manage your activities from one place easily. Now let's start collaborating. You can invite members and guests to your workspace from the contact page. Members are usually people from your organization who will get full access to the tool. In contrast, guests are typically partners, clients, and freelancers, external stakeholders who need restricted access to your projects and tasks. With the guest feature, you can easily invite people temporarily without having to buy additional licenses. Let's create a project now. You'll have the choice to make this project public or private from other members, depending on the privacy you want for this project. Therefore, you can safely work on your sensitive projects. Nobody will be able to access them without your authorization. Some templates are available to start organizing your project quicker, but you can also choose to create your own. Let's choose the one used by most of our clients for this example, the Kanban template. You can see that your project is now structured with a task list, to do, doing, and done. But you also have the flexibility to modify them based on your preferences. These task lists will help you organize your tasks better and give more visibility to your team. It is effortless to create a task. You just need to click on the plus button of a task list. The properties of a task will give you and your teammates clear visibility on what's important. Inputting a good description makes sure your team knows what's being asked of them and how to do it. One of the most potent abilities you'll have with Taskworld is being able to add your task in multiple projects easily. That is very useful when you're working with several departments, for instance, since it allows each team to organize themselves differently while still focusing on the same work cross-team. To keep your team on track, you can add start and due dates set up recurring, and you can even add reminders. You won't forget anything from now on. And now let's assign people to the task. Give more transparency to your project by showing who is doing what. Give more visibility to people who need to participate or be aware of the task's progress by adding them as followers. Categorize your task by providing critical information thanks to tags, points, and labels. Break down your task into multiple tasks thanks to subtasks, and list essential information with the checklist. You're looking at your project from your board view, but you can also check it with the powerful table view. If you're a spreadsheet lover, then you'll fall in love with this format. Thanks to view settings and filters, you can organize your project and sort your tasks the way you want, to only look at what's vital for you. With the timeline, you can now easily track the progress of your project and check the status of each task thanks to the color scheme. Export in PDF, Microsoft Excel, or PNG your timeline to present it in your next project meeting. And if you also need to look at key metrics to see the progress of your project, the analytics page will provide you with good insights. And you can also export it to Google Sheet format to share with top management. Looking for a file that was shared in this project? The file section will give you a list of all files shared in the project chat or the tasks. There's no need to spend hours on each task or searching through a mountain of emails to find the information you need to know. Talking about sharing, Taskworld provides you with robust, in-house, multi-level chat feature to keep your team communicating with each other and sharing your information easily. You can share comments on a task, talk with your project teammates on the project chat, exchange files, or create a discussion channel. You can even @mention someone in any chat if you need to highlight something to someone specifically. Once you've created several projects, you'll be able to organize them the way you want. You can create project groups, start projects, and add project status to get more visibility on your projects. If you go in your project settings, you'll add and modify information such as project members, project due date, and permission settings. You can also copy your project. You can create project templates, and then copy them each time you create a new project. Therefore, you don't have to start from scratch each time, and you can save a lot of time. Export your project data into CSV format to use for auditing, meeting presentations, or reporting. The overview page is a great way to look at all of your activities from one place. Thanks to advanced filters, you can check the task of one team member, or check all tasks related to a specific tag, or order them by due date and check what needs to be done first. We told you, you won't lose any activities from now on. Check your Taskworld calendar to look at your activities for the month and synchronize it with your Google Calendar, Outlook, and Mac OS to keep track of your tasks from the other platforms that you use. With the overview timeline, you can now compare projects all together and make strategic decisions to make changes on due dates to fit your organization's global strategy better. So if you see 2 projects are coming in simultaneously, you'll be ready to get the resources you need, or you just need to drag and drop tasks to move it to earlier or later. You'll automatically receive some notifications by email and directly in your workspace each time a task is assigned to you. Or, similarly, if there's a comment on a task you follow, or a reminder for a task you're assigned to. The notifications page will keep a clean record of all of these events. To manage what you want to receive by email, just go to the notification settings and make changes you wish. To manage what you want to receive by email, just go to the notification settings and make the changes you want. We recommend the digest morning email every morning to get a summary of your activities in one email only. If you have any questions, you'd like to share a feature idea, or if you just want to know more about our features, chat directly with our support team and look at our user guide available in the Help Center. And did you know, Taskworld is also available on tablet and smartphones. Just go to your app store to download the mobile version of Taskworld. You can always keep an eye on your project and chat with your teammates even when you're outside. I hope this demo was helpful and gives you a clear understanding of how Taskworld can help you organize your work and collaborate with your team. I hope you have a great experience with Taskworld and even more amazing productivity from here on out. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with our support team at support@taskworld.com. Thanks for coming by.